now is an excellent time to kind of just review your year and see, what did you accomplish? Did you reach the goals that you set at the beginning of the year? As a busy mom, running your business and having so many different things going on, one of those things is your book. You're looking back and realizing that you didn't make as much progress as you thought you would or as you wanted to. How many years has this been happening? How many times are you going to keep putting it off till next year and keep putting it off till next year and keep saying, this year is the year, and then you get to the holiday seasons and realize it's yet another year gone by that nothing really happened? What's really holding you back? I'm Katelyn Silva, and I'm the founder of We Write Books. And for me, over the last year, I not only published 4 books under my pen name, but I'm getting ready to publish another one in the coming couple of months. And all of this is not work that I did just this year. It was work that I also put in place over the year before. It was a combination of putting into process the same method that I teach my clients, as well as looking ahead and seeing what goals I wanted to accomplish and how I could start taking steps then to make sure that happened. And so I want to challenge you and ask you, how can you do the same? Where can you reassess where your priorities are going and evaluate what you can say no to for right now in order to put in place even just small increments of time that can be prioritized for accomplishing that goal of writing and publishing your book, which is absolutely something that I believe matters and is important, because you as someone who has this story are unique, and you're the only person on earth that can tell it the same way that you can. So as you're doing your year in review and you're looking at the holiday season and you're considering what you're going to prioritize over the next couple of months as you're getting ready for the next year, consider what steps you can start putting in place, what words you can start putting on the page, so that as you get into the new year, you're not starting from scratch, you're not starting at ground zero, but rather you've already laid the foundation to continue, reach the end with your manuscript, and then publish your book. If you're thinking about it and there's a lot of emotions coming up for you, there's a lot of challenges and a lot of struggles with, I don't know if I'm ready, or I'm not sure if I can really do this, I'm not clear on where to start, I don't know how to get the content on the page in a way that flows and that really has the impact that I want to have through the book, I'd like to invite you to a complimentary bestseller assessment with me, where we can dig into those challenges. We can help give you clarity on your book content and ultimately craft a step-by-step roadmap to help guide you through the process of writing and publishing a bestseller, so that you can confidently create that authority and legacy and impact that you're wanting to create with your book. No catch. I'd love to just chat with you and help you achieve your goal. Click the link below to be able to book a time that works best for you. And remember, your book can change a life.